Welcome back. This short video will show you the simplest way to change your YouTube thumbnail on your mobile device, whether it's iOS or Android. The first thing you will need is the YouTube Studio app if you don't have it already. Other than being able to edit your videos, you can track your channel stats as well. Once you have that, you can open it and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. On the menu to the left, you will need to go to Videos and then choose the video that you wish to change the thumbnail of. Towards the top right of the screen there should be a pencil icon, and if you click on that it will allow you to edit your video information. At the top you will see it allows you to edit your thumbnail, so click on that and then on Change to upload a custom thumbnail. You could also select one of the automated thumbnails on the previous page. All you need to do now is save it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.